Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back. Silver Repair here. Today, I got a Honda that just came in this morning. This is exactly how I got it. It has an easy start, so that's great. Auto choke. It's a GCV 160, and he said it just will not start. I got it exactly like this with no air filter, no cover. So he wants to get that. So I'll order that part. But this is how I got it. Do you notice anything? No start. Do you notice anything? Fuel shut off switch. It can't be that easy, can it? Let's see. All right. We'll turn the fuel on. And we'll sit you guys here. All right, there's no way it's this easy, so I'm not expecting this to actually work, but let's see. Let's get you guys in a better position. Can you see this though? All right. Nope, you cannot see this. There we go. All right, let's see. Blade control up here. Do we have fuel in it? I don't think there's any fuel in it. A tiny bit. I smell this fuel and it doesn't smell bad. That's enough to try this out. There's no way. There's no way it can be that easy. Check the oil. So this is very stiff. Oh, you hear this? You see this? All right. Seems like it's going to be spark plug. Okay. Maybe not. Maybe not. Let's see. What do you think? Should I tell them? Should I tell them? I still have to order this part though. This is how it runs. This is how it goes. Sometimes it's just easy like that. All right, let's make sure that it's actually still running. Do this again. So the carburetor is blocked up, and it just ran on starter fluid. Carb cleaner, so need to clean the carburetor. That's what it is. You need to clean the carburetor. There's some fuel blockage here. And that will happen if you're running your mower with no air filter. That's a terrible idea. Do not do that at home. Do not run your mower without an air filter. Put some tape on it. All right, let's see if it'll run again. Doubt it. One more time. Well, carburetor definitely seems it's very hard to start. So I think okay. So what we got here is a simple case of low fuel, poor fuel. So there's not a whole lot of fuel getting to the motor right now, and that's on the auto choke system. So it's unable to start it in the auto choke system. But when it does get going, sorry for the shaky camera, when it does get going, it is able to run. So it's having some auto choke issues at the moment. So what do we do about that? We take some WD-40 and put it on the linkages so that things move smoothly, and the choke butterfly stays closed and then opens up, when it's supposed to. But we're gonna have to inspect this really closely for all the springs and the linkages to be connected properly. We're gonna check a whole bunch of things on it, and so that's pretty much all I wanted to say about that. Yeah, do not ever run your mower, especially a push mower. You're so close to the ground. Look where the filter is. You're kicking up all this dust and then sucking it into the engine. That is a terrible thing to do. So anyway, we want to make sure all the linkages are good to go. Your governor spring should be connected there. You have another counter spring on your governor down here, and then the auto choke is inside. All those linkages are inside the carburetor, which we can't see for right now. We need to go back in here and take a look. What is this? Something is tied up around here. So maybe I won't do all that now, but it is a nice mower. He said he got it for free, so that's a great thing for him. I'll go ahead and order this cover, and we'll continue this on another video, but I just wanted to show you what we're up to here. Thank you for watching. Say goodbye. Red Jumper, say goodbye. Silver Repair out.